Where's the freaking owner of this freaking restaurant, huh?
As I've said, I'm here. I am the owner of this freaking restaurant.
So tama nga, si Ina na ang owner ng restaurant na yun. But the question is, kahit na anong mo magpatakbo ng negosyo, hindi para magkaroon ka kaagad ng ganong kaganda at kalaking restaurant. Now, magagawa mo lang yun dahil merong nagfa-fund sa'yo. Sino ngayon yung benefactor niya?
Ma'am Joanna, nakausap ko na po yung bagong waiter sa kabila. Sabi niya may bago silang promo. For every family combo meal, may free house specialty.
That's when we will do it better. We will level it up. So we will do buy one, take two.
Kanina pa yung order ko Ang bata niyo naman!
Ito na ba yung take two? Pambira, puro sa bawal naman ito eh.